Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to do a very easy 2-ingredient snack. Let's get started. Okay, here are the ingredients. White almond bark, which I'm going to melt in the microwave. You can melt it on the stove if you want to. I just prefer to use the microwave. It's quicker and it doesn't dirty as much dishes. And I am using salted cashews. Such a simple, delicious treat. Salted cashew in white almond bark candy. I'm going to melt this. I'm going to do it a minute to start and then 30 seconds at a time afterwards in the microwave. Okay, I did switch the bowls and I ended up only melting out 6 blocks instead of 9 that I originally started with. If I need more, then I'll just melt more. But that's about 2 cups of cashews. Now you can use any nut you want to. You can even use the chocolate almond bark. I just thought that this would taste really good with the cashews using the white almond bark. So that's why I'm going with it. You just pour your nut of choice into your chocolate of choice. Mix it around really good. Get them covered real well. Yeah, you can put a mixture. You can put mixed nuts in this if you want to. It's just so easy to do. I like doing this with peanuts and the chocolate almond bark. My family likes that one real well too. Okay, next up, we're just going to quickly scoop this out and put it on our pan. It's just that easy, y'all. Just that easy. Now, my cashews were frozen, so needless to say, I have an issue. It made my almond bark seize up pretty quick, but I mean, I'm just gonna scoop it out like that. Yeah, not with that, with my spoon. We're just gonna get it out, spread it out. I mean, it's gonna be the same difference. Yeah, don't use frozen nuts. Let them thaw out before you throw them into that hot candy, or just be ready to mix it really quick and pour it onto your pan, because it's gonna seize up on you fast. But you can take it and break it apart. But it's just a quick snack, you know. And once this finishes setting up completely, you just put it in a Ziploc or in an airtight container. And then you've got it, and you can just grab yourself little bits of it out to snack on. But if you don't do like me, you use your nuts straight from your container, not from your freezer, then you just use a cookie scoop to make you some little mounds out of it. Now let me run over here and wash my hands right quick. Okay, as you all know, and we've told you all many times before, things don't always turn out right. But let me grab me a bite here. Look at that cashew in there. Perfect. Now I use the salted cashews. So, so good. So, if you have this on hand, go ahead and make you some. Stick it in your container, stick it in the fridge, let it sit in your refrigerator, or you can leave it sitting on your counter, whichever you want to do. But ten minutes and you have you a good, mostly healthy snack. Y'all take care. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Whoa, whoa, put on the brakes. If you have not subscribed, I hope you will. Click the subscription button and notification bell. That way you know every time that we put new content on. A lot of times things turn out really pretty when you fix them. A lot of times they turn out like that. Delicious. Bye, y'all.